Hi, my name is John Schiffler with Schiffler Equipment Sales, and I'm here to introduce to you our lockdown security device. Our device has been live fire tested and evaluated. It has a first responder quick release mechanism, so first responders can get in from the outside if there's an emergency on the inside. It's got a waist high activation and deactivation mechanism on it. It's a one-touch release, and it only takes 3 pounds of pressure to release it. Our device is tethered to the door frame, so it's always going to be where you need it, when you need it. And now I'm going to show you how it works. You simply grab your device, you mount it to the door. It holds 1,250 pounds of force. Most handles are only rated at 380 pounds of force. To release the mechanism, like I said, it only takes 3 pounds of pressure. And if there's an emergency in the room, you could just bump against it and it'll pop right off. Now I'm going to show you how quick a first responder can get into the classroom in case of an emergency. We believe that the Schiffler lockdown device is a perfect device for an emergency situation and any lockdown needs. The Schiffler lockdown device also works perfect for common areas such as libraries, cafeterias, gymnasiums, and lobbies. Please give us a call or visit us online. Thank you very much.